Well, we are in the year 2024 with quite possibly the best news yet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We have the 6.5 liter V12 from my crashed Ferrari A12. You might remember the Michael B. Jordan A12 Superfast. Now the car's been out in Pennsylvania for a very, very long time. I want to say we dropped it off in the month of May. It is now December. The frame got damaged. We had to get it repaired. Ferrari would not sell me the structural components. An authorized Ferrari body shop had to make repairs. So the shell of the car is in Philadelphia. And today, boys, we are flying to Philadelphia. Now, I'm not going to stand here and say that I'm super proud of this project. I have made mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake from the onset. I bought the car sight unseen. I overpaid for the car. I then discovered it had frame damage. I didn't do my due diligence. Ferrari won't sell me structural components. They're going to charge me $50,000 to repair the frame. Over the course of the last 8 months, so many times I've wanted to part out the car. I've wanted to give up. I've wanted to throw in the towel. So although I've made so many mistakes, I still think there is light at the end of the tunnel. We're going to fly to Philly. We're going to grab the TRX, grab the trailer, grab the A12, trailer it back to Utah, piece it back together slowly but surely, learn a lesson, and hopefully have a cool car that runs and operates at some point, someday, in the future. When? I have no idea. I'd say the biggest saving grace in all of this has been Miss Sophia saving the day, pushing the motor back in the garage because we got to get to the airport momentarily. Now we have all the interior components in here. You can see the passenger seat right there. Everything is covered in dust because we took the A12 out to Philadelphia in the month of May. It's been gone for 6 or 7 months. It's been such a long time. I'm very nervous on how we're going to piece this all back together. You can see all the other skid plates, all the other components, all these pieces have sat in the garage for such a long time. I don't know how we're going to do it, but first, we got to get to Pennsylvania. Now, before we head off to the airport, I got to give a massive shout out to Matthew, last month's Vero giveaway winner. Now, if you guys remember last month on Vero, we gave away the final Cami Garage Aventador Roadster. Now, to get entered in, to win this, all you had to do was leave a like, leave a comment on this photo. Well, congratulations to Matthew. His username is GR3@Shot5. Matthew has won 033 of 100, the Cami Garage Aventador Roadster. Matthew, I'm going to message you momentarily. We're going to ship it out momentarily as well. Now, this month's Vero giveaway might be the best one we've done yet. Now, if you guys don't follow me on Vero quite yet, check out the link in the description below. You can join me on Vero for free. Give me a follow. My username is TheStradman. Over the course of the last couple months, we have done so many different giveaways. We had the massive merch giveaway. Shout out to Colton, who won all the merchandise. Of course, we had the Penfold print giveaway for all of our international followers. You can see that photo right here. Of course, we had the giveaway on the Cami Garage Aventador. And then shout out to David, who won the ride in the Koenigsegg. We actually shipped the Koenigsegg out to New York City and gave David a ride. Well, this month's giveaway, we're bringing somebody out to Utah. Now, this month's giveaway ends on February 5th. As soon as this video drops, I'm gonna post a photo on my Vero. Go on there, leave a like, leave a comment, follow me on Vero, and you're automatically entered in. There's no purchase required. Now, the winner of this giveaway is gonna be chosen on February 5th. And the winner, I'm gonna fly them out to Utah. We're gonna hang out for the day. You can hang out with Oscar. We can go for a ride in any one of my cars, and you get to invite a family member or a friend, whoever you'd like, to join you on the adventure. I'm gonna put you up in a hotel room as well. It's gonna be a ton of fun, and all you gotta do, follow me on Vero, leave a like, leave a comment, and you're automatically entered in. Guys, check out the link in the description below and join me on Vero. Now, I think there's probably 2 things that Sophia and I both agree with. We are not excited to put the car back together. I don't know how we're gonna do it. It's gonna take us a very long time, but more excitingly, we're getting the TRX back.
That is most exciting.
And that is the true blessing. It has been gone for such a long time. We've missed it so much. The A12 is gonna be a headache, but the TRX, yes sir. The lighting is absolutely atrocious right now, but Philadelphia is 1 day, 7 hours, 2,158 miles. Oh, don't look at me like that. Hello. Find yourself a girl with the Revuelto merch. What kind of message are you sending right now? What? Is it time? I don't think it's quite time yet. We gotta fix this Ferrari first. Now, to say we are sick of traveling would be an understatement. We just flew from Dubai. We've been home for like a day and a half, and now Philadelphia. Well, 5 hours later, welcome to the land of Philadelphia cream cheese. All we gotta do is the same exact trip,
but just 50 times longer.
With a truck and a trailer and a crashed Ferrari, but no big deal. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Uber to the hotel and pick up the car tomorrow, bright and early. What are you doing? It's 7 p.m.
So
Get out of bed. No, we gotta eat. I know. We gotta drive 2,000 miles. We do not have time for this. Yep, gotta get her up. How to get so out of bed? Chicken nuggets and mac and cheese? No, you can. It's totally fine. Everyone's gonna judge you in the comments, and I'm gonna be sleeping with chicken crumbs. Well, it's been a long, arduous journey, but welcome back to Carrossery. We've got the Grigio Queso Revuelto. Paint to sample the weather. It is freezing.
It is so great.
Luckily, you got your Super Puff as well. I love the Taycan bread van. That thing is so wicked. We got the TRX over there. The last time we were here it was 90 degrees, humid,
Yeah,
hot as could be.
so hot.
We were sweating like crazy, but man, the spec on this thing is wicked. Well, finally, the Ram TRX is back. We have missed this truck so much. Massive shout out to the homies at Carrossery. They cleaned the truck, they filled up the tires over there, they did an oil change. Shout out to Josh for the trailer loan as well. It has been here for such a long time.
Way too long.
I feel so terrible. Never imagined it would end up being this long. Here in the wintertime, we thought we'd be back in the summertime as well. Ferrari's right over there. We gotta go take a look. We gotta get it loaded. We gotta drive because it looks like it's gonna snow and you're freezing.
I think it's gonna
It's
snow.
cold here in Philly. I'm not gonna say that I have the most experience towing a truck and a trailer. In the summertime is one thing.
It's
In the
different
snow,
now.
in a blizzard, and a snowstorm in Wyoming is absolutely not a good thing. The 812 Superfast. Now I know you're looking at the car, you're like, wait, that's it? Yep, that's it. The frame has been repaired. You'll see frame rails right here are looking brand new. We got the whole strut tower here as well. All this other substructure has all been replaced. It looks absolutely amazing. The entire front end was painted as well. So although it doesn't look that fancy, it looks a whole lot better than this mangled mess of 812 Superfast. This is the part that costs an absolute fortune. This was like $30,000. Here is the dented frame rails. No longer, no more, fully replaced. Like I said, this entire project is about $50,000 just to repair the frame. So it's very expensive, but it's also very important. Don't look at the wiring harness, Soph. No. We don't need to worry about that. All we got to do is get it in the truck. We got to get it back to Utah in time for Christmas. We do not need to worry about any of this mangled mess whatsoever, okay? That is a 2025 problem. That is not a 2024 problem.
We'll think about
We got
it.
the frame repaired in 2024. We also have a carbon fiber side skirt right here that is also mangled. It is completely worthless. Kind of cool nonetheless. Well, as easy as that, one 812 Superfast, or I guess 3/4 of an 812 Superfast. Let's see it. Make sure this car is not moving anywhere, because on this trip it actually matters. On the way here, if something would have happened, it would have been a blessing. But now we have fixed the frame. We got all the components right here. It's got a bunch of like accessory hardware. I don't know if we need it. It's got the Ferrari horse on it, so kind of sort of cool, but should be good. Well, we are officially locked and loaded, but I got to give a massive shout out to Jamie here at Carrossery. Jamie, thank you so much.
Thank
Took
you.
good care of me. Let us dump the TRX here for 7 months. I appreciate that as well.
Anytime,
Didn't
man.
even charge us rent.
No
invoice,
rent.
and you gave us an
All
oil
free.
change. You aired up the tires. You washed the truck as well. So
Gotta
thank
make
you.
sure you're safe,
Thank
man.
you, thank
Gotta
you,
get
thank
home
you.
safe.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Quick odometer check, 39,340 miles. And because I told you guys what it was going to be in miles, in kilometers, 3,419, aka Sophia Metrics.
Yep.
She's Canadian and I use kilometers. All right, we're headed that way. Ram executives, this is the best truck ever, and the fact that the TRX no longer exists is very sad. They replaced the supercharged Hellcat V8 with a twin-turbo V6, which is very lame, just like the Ferrari F80, which is also very lame. This is my plea to the Ram executives, the Dodge executives. I guess it's not really a Dodge, this is officially a Ram, the Stellantis, the Plymouth. If there's any Plymouth executives, Chrysler executives, bring back the TRX. Another nice feature about the TRX, we can engage the backup camera at any given moment and make sure the trailer is still connected to the truck. We are looking good. So, it's pretty curious right now on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. We're climbing up the Appalachia, and yeah, it's gonna get colder and more snowy, so wish us luck in the comments below. You can't have a double salvage title, so if we do roll the 812, we just take it back to Carrossery and get the frame repaired for the second time. The TRX is a clean title also, that is Josh's trailer, so we don't want to roll it, but Pennsylvania, come on, brother. Come on, we need sunshine. I promised Sophia a vacation to Hawaii.
We just went to Dubai.
That's true, that's true. Well, you got your sunshine. You're Canadian. You live up north.
Know where I live.
This is
you know
warm.
that.
What are you talking about? Come on, you're supposed to be tough and rough.
You're about to trip.
Nah, dude, I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. I'm getting the door for you like a consummate gentleman. You guys know how these road trips go. We are packing on the pounds. Burger King, it's kind of all we had. We didn't really have any options. We have no idea what these are, but we had to try them. Chicken fries. No, don't make that look. It's chicken fries. Take a bite, take a bite. Oh. Pretty good. There the look is. Churn and burn, baby. We're making great time right now, world record pace. And we go through another one. We're in the middle of nowhere, Indiana, at a Rolls Royce Cullinan. What mob boss is driving that? All right, Iowa, I see ya. Just chasing those views on views. Next stop, Nebraska. Well, Iowa, we appreciate you, but welcome to Nebraska. The good life. Extreme blowover risk, crosswinds 55 miles per hour, vehicles under 40,000 GVW. Wait, what? Are we gonna blow over? I think this is Kingdom Come. I don't think everybody fully realizes how far and how big the United States is. So to put it in perspective, if you live in Europe, you're in Paris, France, and you want to drive to Moscow, Russia, that is actually a shorter drive than Philadelphia to Salt Lake. The United States is massive. Crosswinds 55 miles per hour. There is nobody in front of us. There is nobody behind us. We're the only ones going into the thick of the storm. I don't know if that makes us pioneers or idiots. Now, when we were back in Pennsylvania, I told you guys the Ram TRX was the best truck known to man. However, there is one sort of, how would we say, casualty of driving a TRX, and that is the fuel economy. We have been averaging, count it, 5.9 miles to the gallon this entire trip, 5.9. And I promise you guys, I am not over exaggerating. 5.9 miles to the gallon over the course of the last 1,100 miles, 5.9 miles to the gallon. I should get a diesel truck if I'm going to tow more often, but I don't tow that often, so it doesn't really matter. Well, we're somewhere here in Wyoming, and it's just a little bit windy right now. So there it is, there it is. You good? Don't blow away, so go get the snacks, okay? Our snack master.
Some Ritos.
Okay, oh, the Cool Ranch.
Tostitos.
What? A lot of carbohydrates. Oh, what? We're gonna get chunky.
Need a bit of health.
Okay, yep. Hydration. And, oh, wow.
And Mentos.
What about the nerds?
There's no nerds.
There's no nerds? What? And as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Sweet Home. We did it! I cannot believe, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. We're professionals now, though.
We are professionals.
We should start a trucking company. I'm just kidding, because that was absolutely terrible.
So
now, you guys are thinking that was no big deal, because for you guys, that was what, 5 minutes? It was 50 hours for us.
It was bad.
Now, eventually, someday, one day, the A12 is going to go in there. We're going to put the A12 here for now, so we got to pull the Storado out. We just want to dump it in here for now. We got to fix the Aventador before we fix the A12. Now imagine the over-under that the car is not actually in here and somehow it got stolen.
When was the last time you checked it?
I haven't checked it since Illinois. It's here, don't worry, we good, we good. One Ferrari A12, well, 3/4 of an A12, 3/8 of an A12 has officially, landed here back at home. And of course, the $30,000 piece right there, all this junk, I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do with it. Maybe a memento of sorts, or maybe we're gonna blow it up out of frustration here in the future. Yeah, we burn this aluminium. Well, finally, one A12 Superfast has officially been delivered back to the beautiful state of Utah. She is a heavy girl, though. Without having a motor, I thought it'd be way easier than this. Sophia just asked me to film her because she's about to give us a detailed explanation of this wiring harness and how exactly she's going to put it back together.
I have no idea. I just put numbers on it and took photos.
What do the numbers mean, though? Look at
really
this.
mean nothing.
This is an absolute maze of wiring harnesses. We have our work cut out for us. 2025 is going to be a very, very busy year.
Sounds like fun.
Luckily, we have our master electrician, our electrical engineer.
I hate electrical.
You're the best at it, though. You might not like it, but you're better than me. Well, I guess that right there pretty much does it. The A12 Superfast has arrived back to the beautiful state of Utah right in the nick of time, right at the end of the year, 2024, 2025. This is obviously like first quarter is like our major project. Things we gotta sort out. I gotta get the dashboard sorted out. We gotta get the motor back in. We gotta fit the Duke Dynamics kit on this car. We gotta paint it custom interior, custom exhaust, custom wheels. We got so much to do. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys on the other side.